Welcome to the YouTube channel for the website FleetTrucksUSA.com. We are thrilled to be able to present this 2012 extended 1-ton Chevy Express van. It is in stunning condition. It has the 6.0 liter. It is a 3500 1-ton, extremely rare to find, and when you do find them, they're usually beat to death. This one is in showroom condition, and it is loaded with equipment that is above and beyond any equipment anyone ever puts inside of these commercial vehicles. It has a brand new out-of-the-box Cargo Master ladder rack on it with a brand new conduit tube, brand new tires, brand new battery, and it is in absolute turnkey condition. I cannot wait to show it to you, but before I do, let me tell you a little bit about our operation. We are the website FleetTrucksUSA.com, and we operate from our headquarters here in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada, and we supply fleets nationwide through our website with the highest quality work truck F-150s, utility trucks, and cargo vans with equipment, condition, and miles in combinations that just absolutely cannot be found nationwide. We are truly boutique-style specialists that specialize in perfection. And this is another one of our perfect pieces. Before I absolutely explode here, let me get to showing you this stunning 1-ton extended Chevy Express van. It is sitting on 4 brand new, freshly spin balanced and aligned Corsa highway tread tires. We go through these vehicles with a fine-tooth comb to ensure your satisfaction, because we know that's why we have over 65% of our customers coming back to us on a monthly basis. We check the fluids, the lights. It has a brand new battery. We load test the batteries, and if they're not great, we just replace them. The suspension has gone through bushings, ball joints, upper and lower control arms, the brakes, the exhaust. Everything functions the way it did when it came off of the assembly line. And what's more, we give you a complimentary 90-day, 4,500 mile comprehensive warranty through Guardian Warranty. This is a warranty that's very comprehensive. It's extendable up to 5 years and 100,000 miles in many cases. And it begins on the day you take the vehicle, and it's honored nationwide at any licensed certified repair facility across the nation. So whether you're flying here or you're having this vehicle shipped to you, your vehicle will arrive to you covered with a comprehensive Guardian Warranty. As I open this door, you can see the perfection that is this van. No scratches, no scuffing. It has power windows, power door locks, no odors. It has a beautiful center console for storage and writing. No tears in the headliner, no cracks in the dash, no crushing in the seats. Truly a turnkey, remarkable, beautiful van. Solid sliding door. This cargo area is completely solid. That is something that many people look for and cannot find. This Rosso set of drawers right here, it's like an $1,800 set of drawers. This is not your average cargo van drawer. Just look at it. Google it, Rosso, and look at this. Very expensive, very nice, very deep storage cabinet. You have additional steel bins in here, Cargo Master, and this one here. This is pretty deep for what it is. We install these 1,000 lumen LED lights on all of our cargo vans because it makes sense. They also come with a custom cut rubber cargo mat here. Like I said, this lock and load ladder rack is brand new out of the box with a brand new conduit pipe holder tube. As I open up these back doors, you'll see this is all set up for you AC guys, where you can repurpose this if you'd like. Your Freon tank holder. You have multiple dividers in these brand new Cargo Master bins. These two back bins and this Freon tank holder are brand new. They are powder coated. And you have aerosol can holders and hooks for electrical wire or work jackets or whatever you might need. So if you're looking for a 1-ton extended workhorse that hasn't been worked over to death, this one here is showroom new. And this ladder rack operates just like the other side. Continuation of the matching brand new set of tires. It has cruise control, power windows, power door locks, and it features that 6.0 liter engine that I'm telling you, you can throw anything you want at it and it will handle it. Let me go ahead and start this vehicle so you can hear the 6.0 liter V8. Put it into reverse, you've got your rear backup beeper. Super nice van. It also has your keyless entry remote. Pop the hood here. Has a brand new Champion battery from Pep Boys. Fresh fluids. And everything is ready to go. If you're wondering how this works, our website will explain it very simply, but let me give you a little rundown on how you can get one of our vehicles to your fleet. We're located here in beautiful sunny Las Vegas, Nevada, just right near the airport. That's why you can hear the airplanes coming over my head constantly. We're just 5 minutes from the Las Vegas airport. If you fly here to beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada, we will pick you up at the airport, bring you here to our facility, sell you the vehicle that you've selected or vehicles that you've selected, and then we will treat you to a stay and buffet on the world famous Las Vegas Strip. We have a shipping tab that explains how you can get one of our vehicles shipped right to your front door without even moving a muscle. Go to Montway.com for an idea of what it will cost. They are not the only broker, they are the #1 broker, but there are many ways you can get one of our vehicles to your front door. Montway.com will give you an idea of how much that will cost you. It makes it very convenient. You do the purchase, everything goes very smoothly, documents are signed over the internet, and then your vehicle is shipped to you. How simple is that? It just doesn't get any easier. Now, if you're saying to yourself, gee, I'd really like to get one of those vehicles, but I don't want to have to come up with all that cash. Well, we have commercial equipment lenders on our website that can assist you in getting the lending that you need, the funds that you need to get one or multiple fleet vehicles. There are always multiple options to get funds. We encourage you to explore yours, but commercial equipment lending is an easy way for people with businesses that have an EIN or subcontractors with a 1099 to get loans they otherwise would not be able to get. They're really cool, really convenient. Also, don't forget to take advantage of your Section 179 tax write-offs. Talk to your CPA about that. Any of these vehicles can be written off 100% either in that year or over years, depending on what strategy your CPA is using for you. So these business vehicles are truly a great investment to help you grow your business and make more money and live the American dream. My name is Bianca, and I hope I can assist you in living the American dream with your new commercial vehicle. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.